Good morning, students and viewers. Today, some general knowledge and full form of words. Write down. Reading general knowledge and full form of words. What is full form? India. India का full form है. देखो India का full form. I stand for independence. N stand for nation. I stand for D stand for declared. In stand for in. A stand for August, bracket 1947. Independent nation declared in August 1947 in India. Okay. Next one, full form of certain other words. BE, Bachelor of Engineering. DME, Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery. FRCS, Fellow of Royal College of Surgery. MD, Doctor of Medicine, UK, United Kingdom. Next one, democracy. Demo means DMO, demo means people. Crazy means power, Janadhipatyam. Democracy, Janadhipatyam. Crazy power. DMO, demo people, crazy power means Janadhipatyam. Next one, invention. Kanduduthangal. ATM, who invented ATM? Name. ATM invented by John Shepard Barron, Scotland. John Shepard, SHEPHERD, Shepard Barron, BRON, from Scotland. Television invented by John Logie Baird. Television invented by John Logie, Logie Baird, BARID. Once again, television invented by John Logie Baird, BARID. Next one, full form of DNA. D-oxyribonucleic acid. DNA, full form DNA. DE-oxyribo, OXYRIBO, ribo, nucleic acid, NUCLEIC acid. Goodbye, full form, God be with you. Next one, National Education Day, 11th November every year. The longest river in the world. Which is the longest river in the world? River Nile. River Nile, N-I, River Nile. 6,650 kilometers. 6,600 kilometers. Animal never drink water. कभी पानी नहीं पीते. एनिमल का नाम है कंगारू. कंगारू, KNGA, कंगारू rat. कंगारू rat, CANGA ROAT. KNGA कंगारू rat. कभी पानी नहीं पीते. How much degree we get when out of state? എത്ര ഡിഗ്രി ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴാണ് ഒരു മണിക്കൂറാവുന്നത്? 15 degree. When 15 degree rotates the earth, we get 1 hour. Who invented radio? Radio കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാളുടെ പേര് Marconi. Year 1895. Aeroplane കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചത്. Who invented aeroplanes? Wright brothers. RIHT, Wright brothers. Year 1903. Steam engine കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാൾ invented by George Stephenson. 1830, 1830. Steam engine കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചാൾ ജോർജ് സ്റ്റെപ്പൻസൺ, STEEPNSON, Stephenson. Full form of teachers. T stand for teaching, പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. E stand for encourages, പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. A stand for approves good things, നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ അംഗീകരിക്കുന്നു. C congratulates achievement, നേട്ടങ്ങളെ അഭിനന്ദിക്കുന്നു. H helps in time. E enriches mind with knowledge, മനസ്സിനെ അറിവ് കൊണ്ട് നിറയ്ക്കുന്നു. once again teachers perform. T teaches പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നു സിക്കാത്തെ. E encourages പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുന്നു. A approve good things, നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ അംഗീകരിക്കുന്നു. C congratulates achievement, നേട്ടങ്ങളെ അഭിനന്ദിക്കുന്നു. H help in time, സമയത്തിന് സഹായിക്കുന്നു. E enriches mind with knowledge, മനസ്സിനെ അറിവ് നിറയ്ക്കുന്നു. R rectify mistake, തെറ്റുകൾ തിരുത്തുന്നു. R rectify mistake, തെറ്റുകൾ തിരുത്തുന്നു means teacher. Next one, full form of nurse. Pro nurse. N nobility, Nobility, nobility. Usefulness, USC full, NESS usefulness. R responsibility, S sympathy there. E efficiency. Once again, nobility, usefulness, responsibility, sympathy, efficiency means nurse. Full form of police. Politeness, obedience, loyal, intelligent, cautious, efficiency. Police. Once again, politeness, obedience, loyal, intelligent, cautious, efficiency. Ballpoint invented. Who invented ballpoint pen? Ballpoint pen, who invented this type of pen? Name, John Lout, L-O-U-T. Matchbox invented by John Walker. Matchbox invented by John Walker. J-O-H-N, John Walker, W-A-L-K-E-R. Logarithm invented by John Napier. John N-A-P-I-E-R. Landphone invented Graham Bell, G-R-A-H-A-M, Graham B-L-L, Graham Bell, 1876. Mobile phone invented by Martin Cooper, 1973. Mobile phone invented, കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ആളുടെ പേര് മാർട്ടിൻ കൂപ്പർ, MARTIN, മാർട്ടിൻ കൂപ്പർ, COOPR, കൂപ്പർ, in 1973. The longest road in India. The longest road in India, NH7. Facebook invented. Facebook കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ആളുടെ പേര് മാർക്ക് സുക്കർബർഗ്, MARKSUKBERG. वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा फ्लावर का नाम है रेप्लेशिया, द बिगेस्ट फ्लावर इन द वर्ल्ड. RAFFESIA, रेप्लेशिया, RAFFESIA. 11 kg weight, 11 kg weight, but nasty smell, foul smell, not like jasmine or rose. Nasty smell produces this flower. Biggest flower in the world, 11 kg. Nayam. Once again, Rafflesia, RAFFESIA, Rafflesia. Then, weight of blue whale. Blue whale ഭാരം, തിമിംഗലം. Weight of blue whale, നീല തിമിംഗലത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാരം 160 ton, 160 ടണ്ണാണ്. The largest number of post offices in the world, India. ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫീസ് രാജ്യം ഇന്ത്യയാണ്. The large number of post offices in the world, India. How much time takes sunlight to reach on earth? സൂര്യപ്രകാശം ഉപയോഗിച്ച സമയം പിടിക്കും 8 minutes. सूरज का रश्मि अर्थ में आने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है? 8 मिनट. डॉक्टर थर्मामीटर इन्वेंटेड बाय होम? वो भी डॉक्टर ने निकाला. डॉक्टर रेनेडी, H लेनेक. डॉक्टर रेनेडी, RENADI, H लेनेडी, लेनेक, LENAK. once again, डॉक्टर स्टेथोस्कोप കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ആളുടെ പേര് ഡോക്ടർ റെനാഡി, RENADI, റെനാഡി, H ലെനക്, LENAK. Next one, Ball point pen కండుపిడిచాడు జాన్ లౌట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ this already. The other portions will take next time. Then a graduate or any engineer or computer engineer go for interview. The last they may ask you some general knowledge question immediately. You should be able to give answer. Because of this, I'm telling, once I conducted classes for teachers. The teacher was first graduate. After a few months, she appeared for an interview. Then reboard asked her, tell the name of National Bureau of India. But the teacher could not give proper reply. She failed. Because there is no knowledge. She was not knowing about knowledge. National Bureau of India, peacock. She could not give the reply. Then another question, who invented electric bulb? She could not give answer for that. Electric bulb invented by Thomas Alva Edison. The boy was unable to read and write. He became a scientist. So this type of knowledge they will ask you immediately. Heart surgery, ആദ്യമായിട്ട് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ആളുടെ പേരാണ് ഡോക്ടർ ജോർജ് സുക്കർബോ. He died of heart attack. Okay, this type of knowledge is most important. Steam engine കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച ആളുടെ പേര് Stephenson. The famous scientist in the world, who is Dr. Albert Einstein. He was very poor in mathematics, but later on his brain began to develop. He invented the formula E is equal to mc squared. Till this date, he is the biggest scientist in the world, Dr. Albert Einstein. So this certain knowledge you have to study from books. Which is the largest country in the world? Russia, USSR. Which has the breadth and length of 6 India. 6 India വലിപ്പമുണ്ട് റഷ്യക്ക്. यूरेशिया, इट इज नॉट यूरेशिया. थोड़ा भाग रशिया में, थोड़ा भाग यूरोप में, थोड़ा भाग एशिया में. Eurasia. Some other parts is night, some other parts is day, the same time. This is most important. Study well, have a nice day. May God bless all of you. Please subscribe this channel if you are like my channel. I request you once again, please subscribe my channel. May God bless you.